Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to slow down a video on the iPhone 17 Pro. So there are a few ways that you can slow down a video. The first one is I'm going to show you how to record a slow down video. So before you've actually recorded the video, what you can do is go to the slow-mo tab in the Photos in the camera app. You can press this little slider right here and slide it to the slow-mo option. Here on the top left you can select the resolution and the frame rate. So 240 means that it'll be slower. The resolution can be 4K or HD. So let's do the slower one. And I'm just going to record a test video to show you that it actually works. So here, as you can see, it has slowed down significantly. And this is the slow-mo mode. But let's say you've already recorded a video and you want to slow it down after recording it. So slow-mo is not an option. And to do that, we're going to select the video, then press the edit icon, so the 3 bars on the bottom. Then go into video and pressing this speedometer icon on the top right. And here you can select the playback speed of your video. So you can do 50%, so it's going to be 50% slower. You can also change the time duration with this slider right here. So this stretched out part is the slow-mo part. You could do the whole video or just a snippet of the video. It's going to look like this. Here you can see it slow down. You can change it to different speeds. You can change the time of the slow-mo. You can crop the video, basically everything to edit the video. And once you're done, just press done on the top right, and your video will be saved. So let's play it and see what turned out. Here you can see it slows down, then speeds up, back up again. So that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.